All right. All right. We'll see you in just a second, Bill. All right. We're at 6513 East Lewis Avenue. This is the property. I'm going to flip it around real quick so we can see the neighborhood and the entrance. So this is the entrance. And this is the neighborhood. It's a kind of a neighborhood that is not real accessible because there is a canal. So it's going to be a very quiet neighborhood. It has been totally remodeled on this house. So you got some artificial turf in the front. You have a walkway. This has a a car and a half. Not really I wouldn't say that's really a two-car garage, but you have plenty of space. Parking, you can get 4 vehicles on that. So as we go in, this house has been totally remodeled. The roof was done in 2001, same way with the air conditioner. So as we come in, we have this room here that has an ensuite on it. And this used to be like the old breezeway that was converted, has a mini split in it, so it's nice and cool in here. Large closet. And then to the outside, the breezeway, that's kind of nice. I would say this would accommodate 2 queens and brand new shower and stuff. And we come in here, dining area, and then this goes over into your laundry. Comes with the washer and dryer.
Great, how are you?
Nice appliances, brand new appliances.
Nice to meet you, Chris. Take a look around. If you have any questions, just let me know. Here's some information.
And it is gas. Now we're going to go back into the other 3 bedrooms. You have a full bath in here. A smaller bedroom in here would hold a queen. Another about same size bedroom would hold a queen. This one faces the front yard. Could get a king in here. Is an ensuite. Nicely done. Yeah, it'd be too tight for 2 doubles. So you have your 4 bedrooms. And then nice living room area here. And the realtors that are having the open house, they're going to sell this fast. This has been on the market for 1 or 2 days? 2 days. So yeah, this will go quick. Great location. You have a area out here in the grass area. We'll look down and it's locked. So I'll just point down that alleyway. Right down this. I can't even see what I'm doing. And then there's the mini split. That's brand new. Looks like. And check out the pool area. Push down.
And then pull.
Push down. How do you do it? Oh. Thank you.
Really, child.
And realtor proof a little bit too, or just idiot proof. That's me. Beautiful pool and nice pergola seating area. It was a diving pool. It looks to be, I'm walking it, looks to be in really great shape. Cleaned up. Nice size. Let's go take a look at the pool equipment. So, pool equipment in here, just the pump. I don't see any hookups for gas. Close, but I did see that there was a gas oven and stove in the, and then here you have your gas line going there. So you could come off easy enough because it's stubbed out for gas there if they wanted to put a gas heater in the pool area, right?
I'm not sure. I would
Not,
have to-
yeah. I'd see it's been, you got the gas right there,
Yeah, the
so.
whole property runs on gas, so you probably could do something like that, but
Yeah.
I'm not 100%.
Yeah, yeah. Just knowing that there is the ability. I'm not familiar with this brand of appliances.
Well,
Yeah,
it's on the higher end.
okay.
Yeah.
Just a step below Wolf or a little
You could
bit.
say it's in the family. It's
Family.
not quite a Sub-Zero, but it's in that level of brands.
Okay. Really nice. Really nice. Nicely done.
36-inch range, and then dishwasher is right there.
Yeah, this is nicely done. And then the garage. Can you get 2 cars in here?
You can get 2 cars in there.
All right, you could get 2 cars in there. All right. Well, that's this one here. Let me just give you some particulars on it. So it's brand new on market. This one is listed for $969. It is a 4.3, and this is 1997 square feet. Taxes on this are at $2262 currently, and great property. Let me know what you guys think of this one. Appreciate it. Thanks.